Apple's MacBook Air is one of the most popular laptops with slimmer and lightweight design. But with Windows laptops getting more and more powerful while getting slimmer, the MacBook Air was losing its popularity. Nevertheless, Apple just released a refreshed version of the MacBook Air, and that brings up the debate: is getting a MacBook Air still worth it? Hey guys, I'm Chaser, and in this video, we'll discuss about everything that we know about MacBook Air 2020 and if you should get it. But before that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for our next video. The MacBook Air 2020 has the same thin and light design with 13.3 inches LED backlit IPS display. But much of the improvements were made at the core of the device, and there are several upgrades to it. Let's start with the keyboard first. The Apple MacBook 2020 features the Magic Keyboard of the 16-inch MacBook Pro instead of the butterfly keyboard. The keyboard is still backlit, has separate escape key, and the inverted T-shaped arrow keys are also back. Moving back to scissor switches is a great decision as they are more reliable, has better travel, and offers overall better feel while typing. This keyboard also has Apple T2 Touch ID fingerprint reader, which is separated on the top right corner and works really quick to unlock, wake up, and sleep. The MacBook Air also got the Force Touch trackpad, which is one of the best in the world. It is 20% larger than previous generation and offers plenty of room for multi-touch gestures like pinch and zoom. The MacBook Air 2020 also offers double performance, featuring 10th Gen Intel processors along with Intel Iris Plus graphics. At the lowest, you have the 1.1 GHz dual-core Intel Core i3 processor, but for the extra $100, you can get quad-core i5 processor with up to 3.5 GHz turbo boost. Now, you can even upgrade your MacBook Air to quad-core i7 processor, which is insanely great performance boost in my opinion. And with the Intel Iris Plus graphics, Apple says the laptop can deliver up to 18% faster graphics performance and in graphics-intensive applications. Benchmark numbers also support that claim, which means it will now support Pro Display XDR. They have also doubled base storage to 256GB, and you can upgrade it to up to 2TB. You can also choose between 8GB or 16GB of RAMs, making the devices even faster and more powerful. The speaker of the new MacBook Air 2020 has received a significant upgrade, much like the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Although the sound may not be up to the standard of MacBook Pro, but it still offers better sound quality than the previous generation of MacBook Air and 13-inch MacBook Pro. The Air also got 3-area microphones, like the 16-inch MacBook Pro, that is capable of capturing audio more accurately while FaceTiming and talking to Siri. However, the MacBook Pro most definitely is better as the microphones on it are studio quality. Anyways, among the upgrades there are still some disappointments. For example, the display bezels. When Apple brought their 16-inch MacBook Pro, they have made the bezels of the device thinner, giving it more modern look and offering more screen real estate. But in the case of MacBook Air, Apple did not upgrade the display and it still got the same ugly looking bezels all around. Native display resolution is maxed at 2560 by 1600, and you can either set up an external display up to 6K resolution or to 4K displays through the Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. But the MacBook Air only has two Thunderbolt 3 ports, so connecting two external displays will take up all of your ports, or you have to be dependable on accessories for more ports. Another area that MacBook Air disappoints is on its webcam, which is still a 720p camera. Under ample lighting condition, the camera is pretty workable, but in low light condition, video becomes grainy and looks really ugly. Anyways, apart from these issues, the new MacBook Air 2020 is still a pretty great device. It's powerful than before in processing power, graphics intensive works, and you can enjoy better gaming experience. But should you get it? In my opinion, you may. Cause the processing power is certainly better. There is option for increased RAM and storage. All these will let you get done your daily tasks of internet browsing, checking emails, and other productivity tasks. You can even enjoy better video editing with its powerful processor and graphics support. But it can only support you in emergency situations and can't replace your primary setup. Although that's what the MacBook Air is really for. Affordable, lightweight, and productivity is the highlight of the device, which the refreshed MacBook Air is perfectly capable of delivering. The price has also been reduced, so MacBook Air is more affordable than before. Anyways, that's all for today. If you are interested in getting the device, then be sure to check out the video description for necessary links. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts on the refreshed MacBook Air. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon to get notified when our next video drops.